Hello my dear students, welcome to ESE YouTube online live session. Now today's session is on preparation strategy and important concepts of linear algebra and differential equation topics for both GATE and ESE exams. Today's session is on preparation strategy and important concepts of both two topics. Both topics means two topics here, linear algebra and differential equation topics. These two are the subtopics of mathematics part for both GATE and ESE exams. Let me introduce myself. My name is A. Ravindra Reddy. I am one of the faculty member of ESE Engineering Academy Mathematics Department. I teach mathematics subjects. Now first we discuss about the preparation strategy, that is some key points for preparation strategy, that is how to prepare for entrance examination for both GATE and ESE. Now these are the some key points for preparation strategy. If you are preparing for any entrance examination, that may be GATE or ESE or any entrance examination, first we should focus on syllabus. We collect the syllabus. Once you know the syllabus, you will know that the number of subjects involved in that syllabus. In that, again in the subjects also, you will know the topics and subtopics only. Because if you have some subject, then you may not have all the total subtopics and total subtopics of that subject only. That is why you have to go through the exactly the syllabus for entrance examination. Beyond the syllabus, you need not to prepare. First, you have to focus on only the syllabus. That is why first of all, we should know the syllabus of any entrance examination. Here, our exams are GATE and ESE. For GATE, we will have some syllabus, and for ESE also we will have one syllabus, some syllabus. Both may not be same. That is why for any entrance examination, if you are preparing means, you should focus on first syllabus. That is why you have to collect the syllabus, so that you know the number of subjects involved in that, and also you can go through the topics and subtopics. According to that, we can prepare. After that, we should consider the paper pattern. We should know the paper pattern, the pattern of examination. For example, if we have a GATE examination, if we take the GATE examination contains only objective type questions or only descriptive type, or both GATE. The GATE examination contains both objective and descriptive or not. Suppose if it is ESE examination, that ESE examination also contains only objective or only descriptive or both descriptive and objective or not, we check it on. That is why we should know the pattern of examination. But if we consider the GATE examination consists of only objective type questions. GATE examination is only for objective type questions. We cannot find any descriptive type questions in the GATE examination. So purely the GATE examination consists of objective type questions. In the objective type questions also, again we have two types of questions. One is fill in the blank type questions, other one is multiple choice questions. Fill in the blank questions means numerical answer type questions. Again, multiple choice means the question will be given along with the 4 options. For this multiple choice also, we have two types of questions, single correct answer questions and multiple correct answer questions. Earlier, multiple correct answer questions were not there. Recently, the multiple correct answer questions were introduced in the GATE examination. So the GATE examination paper consists of only objective type questions. Okay, only objective type questions. That objective type are two types: fill in the blank questions, multiple choice questions. Under multiple choice, again we have two types: single correct answer questions and multiple correct answer questions. When you come to the ESE entrance examination, that will be conducted in two papers. One is mains, other one is prelims. The ESE examination will be divided into two parts. One is mains, other one is prelims. Okay, prelims and mains. In the prelims also, we have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, in one day, both papers will be conducted, morning and afternoon session. Next, in the mains also, again we have two papers, paper 1, paper 2. But in the ESE, we have both prelims and mains. The ESE examination consists of two types of papers. One is mains, other one is prelims. In the mains, we have descriptive type questions, but in the prelims, we have only objective type questions only. Prelims, will be conducted in 2 sessions, paper 1, paper 2. Mains also will be conducted in 2 sessions, paper 1, paper 2 only. So mains is, for mains we require the descriptive type questions. So mains is the descriptive type and prelims is the object type papers. In the prelims again we have 2 sessions, morning session, afternoon session, that is by paper 1, paper 2. In paper 1, we can find the mathematics. Paper 1 is engineering aptitude and general studies. Paper 1 is for general studies and engineering aptitude only. So only in paper 1, we can find this mathematics part. Okay. In mathematics again we have many subtopics, but here I took the 2 topics. One is linear algebra and differential equation topic. So that is why we should know the paper pattern. GATE examination is conducted and ESE also will be conducted entrance examination, but in the GATE examination you will find only object type. Next in the ESE we have both objective and descriptive type only. But in mains only object type. In the descriptive of ESE examination we can find in the prelims we will find only object type. In the mains we will have descriptive type questions. But in the GATE examination only object type questions. Only for ESE, for prelims of ESE we require the object type, and mains of ESE we require the descriptive type only. That is why we should know the paper pattern, whether it is object type or descriptive type only. Next, weightage of marks. Again next we consider the weightage of marks for any entrance examination. Suppose if we consider the GATE examination, the GATE examination weightage is 100 marks. Okay, the weightage of the GATE examination is 100 marks on. Next, for ESE examination, the weightage is, in the prelims we have 2 papers, paper 1, paper 2. Paper 1 is the general studies and engineering aptitude. For that paper, the weightage is 200 marks. That paper consists of 100 questions, and the weightage of that 100 questions, each question carries 2 marks. That is why the weightage of the paper is 200 marks. For GATE examination, weightage is 100 marks. In the GATE examination, total number of questions is only 65. For GATE examination, total number of questions is 65. And the weightage of the GATE examination is 100 marks. In GATE examination, you will have 2 types of marks questions. One is 1 type marks question, other type of these 2 marks only. Okay, we have 2 types of marks questions. Regarding marks, we have 2 types, 1 mark type questions, 2 marks type questions only. So GATE examination weightage of the GATE examination is only 100 marks. Okay, the paper consists of only 65 questions, but weightage is 100 marks. In the ESE first paper of prelims, 100 questions will be there, each question carries 2 marks, so total weightage is 200 marks. So we should know the weightage of that paper. Next, we collect the previous year's question paper. If you are preparing any entrance examination, we should collect all the previous year's question papers. Once you know the syllabus, next we collect the previous year's question papers. So this collection of previous year's question papers is very, very important. Not only the collecting the previous year's question papers of this GATE examination or ESE examination. If you are preparing entrance examination, means first you have to go through the syllabus. The same syllabus is there for any other entrance examination also. Then you have to collect the other entrance examination papers also, so that we can collect the different model problems and many problems, so that we can collect the many models and many problems, not only from GATE and ESE, from other entrance examination also. If we collect the all other entrance examination which are related to the same syllabus, then we can find the many different model problems and also many problems for practice purpose. So collection of previous question papers is very, very important. Next, collecting the material. After knowing the syllabus, according to the syllabus, we collect the material for entrance examination, because different entrance examination will have different syllabus. So according to that syllabus, we have to collect the material, okay, and references books also according to that syllabus of the entrance examination. If you prepare by own, then we can collecting the material is very difficult. If you want to collect the material, then you can contact your seniors or your neighbors or your friends, so that from the friends, neighbors and others, we can collect the material. The material is available. if they have the material, they can collect only. Suppose if you don't have friends preparing for this, or those who have prepared not prepared for this, collecting the material is not an easy. So if you join in any institute, then the institute will provide the total material regarding that syllabus. Only according to that syllabus, the institute will provide the material, total material, and you need not to collect the single one subject material separately against other subjects separately like this. We can collect the total material at a time only from the institute. Our institute provides everything for the related to that syllabus of the GATE and ESE, okay, and reference book. But according to the syllabus, we provide the total material, okay. ESE Academy will provide the total material according to syllabus. According to syllabus means that is material will be confined to that syllabus only. Suppose if we go through the reference book, in the reference book, not only just the syllabus, beyond the syllabus also we can find the topics only. So again, you have to searching for the topic and preparing like this is taking more time. That takes more time. So instead of going for that reference book, first you have to refer the coaching material, because that coaching material is prepared according to that syllabus only, okay, according to that syllabus. Beyond that syllabus, if you want to prepare anything or if you want to prepare extra, then you can go to the reference, or in the material if you are not comfortable if you are not comfortable that with material for any regarding small topic or any subtopic, for that reference of that small topic and subtopic, we can go for the reference book. Otherwise, no need to go for other reference books, because you can find the total material, total required, the topics and subtopics, subjects in that material. So material is sufficient, okay. For extra clarification, for extra things, and for extra preparation, we can go for a reference book. Otherwise, material is more than sufficient. So collecting the material is very, very important, okay. That will save you time, that save the time of your preparation also. Next, we plan the timetable. So we should prepare the timetable. According to that timetable, we go for preparation only, okay. Randomly, if you prepare like this, it will take different, and also you will not know the things on. If you prepare the timetable, according to the timetable, if you follow that one, then you will know that which subject is going and which subject has not started it and which subject is completed, so that you will know like this one according to the timetable, if you prepare the timetable only, okay. So preparing the timetable is also important. According to the timetable, we can follow this. Next, practice the class notes problems. Already if you have taken coaching, if you have attended already coaching, then you will have the class notes also, okay. Or if you are going to the coaching, now you can get the material also. Suppose if you prepare by your own, then we cannot get the class notes only. If you want to have class notes, you can collect from your friends or your seniors like this. So, you have taken the coaching class, or if you are going to take the coaching class, or already if you have joined in coaching institute, then you can get the class notes. After completion of any topic, in any subject, first go through the class notes problems, okay. First go through the class notes problems and practice the class notes problems. But before going to practice the problems directly, first you should focus on the concept of that topic, concept and also definition, formulae, okay. First you have to focus the concept, next formulas, everything. After going through all these, you will know that the procedure and also you know the formulae. Once you know all these things, fundamentals, problems, fundamentals, next formulae and definitions, then directly you can go to the problem, you can solve the practice. You can go to the problem, you can solve that problem, and also you can practice on it. So once you practice the classroom questions twice or thrice, then immediately go to the previous year's questions booklet. Once you practice all this, then or twice, thrice, then immediately go to the previous year's question papers booklet. In that previous year's question papers booklet, try to practice the questions on the same topic only, okay? Because already you have a previous year's question papers only. But our institute will provide the 3 booklets for mathematics part. Suppose if you consider the mathematics part, for mathematics, our institute will provide the 3 booklets for this mathematics part. The first booklet is the volume 1 booklet. The volume 1 booklet consists of required theory according to syllabus. Next, some examples problems and practice problems. And the second booklet is called volume 2. The volume 2 consists of only the practice questions. Not only just practice questions, the practice questions will be given at one place and their solutions also will be given in the same booklet. All solutions will be given at some place, all questions will be given at some place. So volume 1 consists of only the required theory, next example problems and practice questions. Volume 2 consists of only the practice questions, okay, with the detailed solutions. Solution will not be given after the question on. All questions will be given at some place, all solutions will be given at some place on. Next, third booklet is for previous year's question papers on. We have collected all the branches question papers, almost 7 branches questions: ECE, electrical, instrumentation, mechanical, civil, production, and CSE. We have collected all these question papers, and from all these question papers, we have collected all the questions topic wise, and we have given all the questions topic wise, year wise. Okay. All these questions will be given at one place, and the solutions will be given at one place only. That previous year's question paper booklet consists of the questions and their detailed solutions. So if you consider the material, coaching material like this, you can collect all the material at a time at a single place only. No need to search for single subject material like this. Okay, we can collect all the material at a time from the institute. So institute will provide all these. So it will save your time. Otherwise, collecting all the material from a different person, different places is a difficult thing only. It will take more time also. Sometimes you may not find any material also regarding all the subjects. Okay, that is why institute will provide. So from the institute, you can collect the material. So practicing the classroom problems once is not sufficient. First, you should practice the classroom notes problems twice or thrice. After that, immediately go to the previous year's questions booklet on the same topic, try to practice the previous year's question papers. But solving only once is not sufficient. Solving only 2 times is not sufficient. You have to practice and you have to repeat. You have to revise this. Periodic revision is important. That is, revise as many times as possible. But if you want to repeat, that depends. Revision depends on the person also. But every person has to do this thing. If you are preparing anything today, if you start the preparation anything today, any subject or any topic today, you have to repeat the same thing within the 24 hours. You have to repeat the same thing within the 24 hours. After that, again you have to repeat the same thing within the 1 week. Again you have to repeat within the same thing within the 1 month, and then within the 6 months. If you start the topic for preparation today, then you have to repeat the same thing within the 24 hours. Okay? Within the 24 hours, 1 time repetition should be completed. Next, within the 1 week, within the 1 month, within the 6 months. If you do like this, you can remember up to 1 year. Okay? After 1 year, if it is required, again start and do the same exercise. So within the 24 hours, repetition is compulsory, and then within the 1 week, 1 month, and then within the 6 months, so that we can remember up to 1 year. So repetition is important. Just solving the 1 lakh problems only 1 time, 2 times is not sufficient only. If you solve few problems also, but practicing many times is important. If you practice different model problems and many times, then we can get the fastness only. Because of the entrance examination, the time is bounded only. Time is bounded. For example, if you take a gate examination, for gate examination, the duration of the examination is only 3 hours. But paper consists of 65 questions. 65 questions and duration is 3 hours. That is 180 minutes. You have to complete the 65 questions within the 180 minutes. 65 questions, total number of questions is 65, but duration is 180 minutes. So almost you are getting the more than 2.5 minutes less than 3 minutes. 65 questions, 180 minutes means more than 2.5 minutes, less than 3 minutes for each question. But some questions will be simple, some questions will be lengthy also. Some questions may be lengthy also. Because all questions may not be lengthy, all questions may not be simple also. Sometimes, first of all, the GATE entrance examination is purely oriented on probability oriented. This is a probability oriented. Problematic oriented. That is why you should have practice only. You can find the most of the questions will be given in problems, in the form of problems only. So because of the problematic oriented, you have to practice many times only. Sometimes you may find directly definition, or sometimes you may find the question like this theory. Theory means that may be just definition or property like this, theorem statement like this. If it is a property or theorem statement or definition, directly by reading that we can put the correct answer on. But if it is problematic oriented, then you have to do the problem. For doing the problem, it will take time. So not only for doing that problem, it will take time. First of all, we should focus on question. If you focus on question, focusing on the question means you have to read the question first. Read the question. And question always may not be just a single line question. Sometimes the question may be 2-line questions or 3 lines or 4 lines, 5 lines also. The question data may be large also. That is why focusing on the question is also important. Focusing means here you have to read the question clearly. First you have to read the question clearly with line by line. After reading the question, you can understand the question. First you have to read the question and then you have to understand. After understanding the question, then we can start the problem. So for reading the question, for understanding also, it may take 1 minute or 1.5 minutes also. Some questions may take 1 minute, 1.5 time also. So we can utilize the other time for doing the problem. Because anyhow you are giving the 2.5 minutes, more than 2.5 minutes also. Sometimes some questions may take the 2 minutes also for reading and understanding also. Okay. First you have to read the question, complete question, not only half the question only. Don't read off. Then read the full question and understand. After that, start doing the problem. That is important. Reading the question is important, understanding the question is important. Once you read and understand, then only we can do the problem. After reading also, if you are unable to understand the problem, then we cannot do the problem only. So reading is important, understanding the problem is important, and after that, doing the problem is important. Okay. Only for reading the question, you may require sometimes 30 seconds or 1 minute or 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes also. Once you read, then you will know that question, then we can do the problem. So here, for reading the question and understanding this, it may take more time also. But we can reduce the time for reading the question and also for understanding the problem also after practicing the many model problems, many times also. That is why revision is important. Before the examination, if you revise like this, then you can get the fastness on it. Okay? Because of the limited time for entrance examination, to answer more number of questions, you should have practice before the examination. So practicing is very, 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 very important. For entrance examination, if it is problematic oriented, you have to practice many times. Okay? Here onwards, till examination, minimum you have to practice 6 times or 5 times. The more you practice, the more you can answer in the examination. The more you practice, the more you can answer in the examination. That is why before the examination, the practicing many times different model problems is very, very important. If you are unable to, suppose if you have not practiced many times in the examination, if you have not practiced many times before the examination, then you are unable to write the more number of questions within the time in the examination. That is why to answer more number of questions in the entrance examination, before the examination, you should practice. Okay? So once you practice many number of times, we can get the fastness. So the fastness is important because of the time bound. If you are given 24 hours, you can answer all the questions, but 24 hours will not be given. Only 3 hours time will be given for GATE entrance examination. For first paper of prelims IES, only 2 hours will be given. Okay, 100 questions. Each question has 2 marks, that is 200 weightage, and hours duration of that ESE general studies paper is just 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours means 120 minutes. 100 questions, 120 minutes, just 1 minute only. 100 questions, 120 minutes. Okay, so not even 1.5 minute is also not given for the ESE examination for each question. But in the GATE examination, more than 2.5 minutes will be given. So to manage these, to manage all these things, you should have practice before the entrance examination. Okay, so practice is important. Only practice. To practice more number of times, you have to sit more number of times. You have to sit more number of times. To sit more number of hours. To practice many number of times, you have to sit more number of hours. To sit more number of hours, we should have patience. Without patience, we cannot sit more number of hours. If we sit more number of hours, we can answer more, we can practice more number of problems also. Okay, so first of all, we should have a patience. Entrance examination means the patience test only. You should have patience. At any cost, you should not lose your patience. So patience and practice, these two things are very, very important for entrance examination. Okay. Next, attempt all the test series. Our institute is also conducting many online tests. After completion of each topic, we can write your topic-wise test. After completion of all the subtopics of mathematics part, we can write the mathematics subject test. Next, your core subject also, we can write the separate core subject test. And all together also, we can write the one test like this. So our institute is conducting the topic-wise test, subject-wise test. Next, all together, the core subject test, non-core part subject test, again grand test like this. Many tests are there on. So attempting all the online test series is very, very important. Okay, try to write all the test series. So before the entrance examination, if you write all the entrance like this test series questions, if you attempt all the test series, then you know you will know whether you are able to do the problems or not within the time. If you attempt all the test series means, you will know whether you are able to do the problems or not within the time. And if you are able to do the problems, or whether you are able to do more number of problems or not within the time. If you are unable to do more number of problems within the time, then you will know that only. Where is the problem? If we have some problem, then we can overcome that problem only before the entrance examination by writing the test series. So test series is very, very important. Okay. If we face any problem, we can overcome that problem by writing the test series. So test series is very, very important. Next, be motivated. So self-motivation is also important. You should not lose, okay? You should not lose your confidence and also patience, and also always you should be motivated on. So first you may come to this preparation with a lot of confidence. After some days or sometimes you may lose confidence also, but you should not lose confidence, okay? That is why you should have some self-motivation. So these are some key points for preparation strategy. This is about the preparation strategy. So syllabus, first you have to focus on syllabus. According to that syllabus, we can collect the material and then we can practice the many number of times. For entrance examination only, the practicing is important. This is not a theory examination, it is only problematic oriented examination. Because of problematic oriented, to answer more number of questions before the examination, you should have practice, lot of practice on it. That is why practice many model problems, different models and many times also. So this is about the preparation strategy or some key points for preparation strategy. Now let us go to the topics. I took the two topics, one is linear algebra and differential equation. Now this is syllabus of linear algebra topic of the GATE examination. For ESE examination, they did not mention the particular syllabus. They mentioned that engineering mathematics and numerical analysis. The first paper of prelims examination of ESE is general studies and engineering aptitude. For that, the particular like this syllabus is not mentioned in the syllabus. It is mentioned that only engineering, mathematics and numerical analysis for first paper of prelims ESE examination. But for GATE examination, the particular syllabus and particular subtopics are given like this. These are the subtopics of the syllabus of linear algebra topic. Now these are the subtopics. Very first one is matrix algebra. Next, solution of system of linear equations, eigenvalues, eigenvectors. Next, vector spaces, and then LU decomposition. But this vector spaces is added in the year 2016. That is for the 2016 GATE examination. This topic is added, and it is only for EC GATE students only. It is only for EC branch of GATE examination only. Okay. Next, LU decomposition. Earlier it was there in the numerical methods of CSE, but it is added in the numerical methods topic was deleted from the mathematics part of CSE branch. Now it is added in the linear algebra topic. LU decomposition is added in the linear algebra topic. This is only for CSE branch of GATE students. So these are the three common topics for all branches of GATE examination. Okay, these are the subtopics of this linear algebra for all branches of GATE examination, and these two are separate topics. It is only for EC, it is only for CSE. In matrix algebra, again we have the three subtopics. One is determinants, next inverse, and then rank. In the matrix algebra, we can find the three topics: determinants, inverse, and rank. But from the linear algebra, all the subtopics of linear algebra, from the linear algebra topic, all the subtopics are important, because we have the GATE questions on every subtopic. But most of the important topic is eigenvalues, eigenvectors. Next important is solution of system of linear equations. But for these two subtopics, this matrix algebra is important. Without matrix algebra, we cannot go for this, because if we get any problem on this, for this indirectly we require the determinants, inverse, and rank also. Again, for the solution system of linear equations, for a solution of system of linear equations also, we require the matrix algebra subtopics. Okay, for this also we require the inverse, determinant, and rank. For this also we require the inverse, determinant, rank. So directly we have the questions on matrix algebra, that is on determinants, inverse, rank. Indirectly we require all this for next two subtopics. Okay. From each and every topic of linear algebra, we have the GATE questions. So all these subtopics are important. And this linear algebra topic is free from all the differentiation and integration formulae. And it is not a logical oriented, no twisting questions, direct questions. Easily we can answer the questions. Because no formula for this subtopic, just we will have some procedure, just we follow that procedure only. Only procedure is there for linear algebra topic. It is free from differentiation, integration formula. Okay. So if you know the procedure, we can do the problems only. And definitions also we require the properties. In this we have the properties and definitions. From this linear algebra topic, we have some repeated GATE questions also. We have some repeated GATE questions. In the GATE examination, we can find repeated GATE questions also. Okay. I am talking about only mathematics part. I don't know about the core subjects of respective engineering branches. I am talking about only linear algebra topic. From the eigenvalues and eigenvectors, there is one property. That property was given 4 years. That property was given in 4 different years for the mechanical branch. From the eigenvalues, eigenvectors property, one question was given in 4 different years for mechanical branch. Other branches only 1 time, 2 times only. Like that, we have other questions also. In every subtopic of mathematics part, we can find the repeated GATE questions 2 times or 3 times only. Okay. And we have some questions like this. If any question is given in one branch, that question also may be given in another branch also in another year. So we have same question in different years in different branches also. We have some questions like this in different years in different branches. Same question is given in different years in different branches. Okay. Like that also we have questions because of the common topics. These are the common topics for other branches also. That is why practicing the other branches GATE question, practicing the other branches questions also important. Okay. If you are practicing the previous year's question papers, means just don't practice only your branch questions. Try to practice the other branch questions also. The topic is there with the others also. Okay. First of all, these three subtopics are common topics to all branches. That is why you should practice the not only from your branch, from other branch previous year's questions also you have to practice. Is it clear? Because the same question may be given other branch. If any question is given in another branch, may be given in another year for your branch also. Like that, we have some questions also. That is why you have to focus on all branches questions, so that we can cover the different model problems and different problems, many problems also for practice. Right? These are the subtopics. Next, we go to the other topic, differential equation. These are the subtopics of differential equation topic. But this differential equation topic is not there for CSE. This differential equation is not there for CSE. It is there for all branches except CSE. Okay? In the CSE examination, CSE, for GATE examination of CSE, we have three topics from the mathematics part. One is linear algebra, next calculus, and probability and statistics only. So here I took the two topics. One is linear algebra, other one is differential equation. So out of these two, only linear algebra topic is there for GATE examination of CSE branch. But differential equations topic is there for all branches except CSE. It is for both GATE and ESE. It is also for both GATE and ESE. This is for both GATE and ESE except CSE branch. In these subtopics are first order linear equations and first order non-linear differential equation. Second topic is higher order linear differential equation with constant quotients. Next, higher order linear differential equation with variable quotients. And then partial differential equation. So these are the subtopics of differential equation. Okay, it is about the syllabus of differential equation topic and linear algebra topic. Now, in this today's session, I am going to take some questions on important concepts of this linear algebra. Already I told you that in the linear algebra, all subtopics are important because we have all the GATE questions. We have GATE questions on all the subtopics of this. But in differential equations, we have the GATE questions only on some methods only. We can leave some methods also. That is, we should focus on some methods. Okay? That is, we should give the more importance for some methods. We should give the less importance for some methods in the differential equation. But we should not do like that in the linear algebra. We should focus on every topic on linear, because from each and every topic we have questions also. From the differential equation, we have only questions on some methods only. From some methods, till now we don't have any question, even though we have 31 ES papers. For GATE examination, we have 31 ES previous ES question papers. How many years? 31 ES question papers only, 31. But in ESE examination, we have only just 7 ES previous ES question papers. For ESE, we have only 7 ES previous ES question papers. And for GATE, we have 31 ES previous ES question papers only. And we have some advantages of differential equation topic. The advantages of differential equation topic are like this. One is elimination method, or by verification method we can choose answer. That is one of the advantage. One of the advantage of this differential equation is verification method. Okay? Right? If it is fill in the blank question, no verification method, doesn't work. Verification method doesn't work. If it is multiple choice, one of the advantages, by verification we can choose the answer. Next, other advantage of differential equation topic is only some methods they are giving the questions. So if we can focus on that also, we can answer all the questions. That is another advantage. One of the advantages is verification method. Other advantage is you need not to focus on every method of this, because we have the questions only from some methods. That is another advantage. Now first, in this session, we focus on this linear algebra topic. From the linear algebra topic, I gathered some questions on important subtopics of this, or in important concepts of this linear algebra topic. Some GATE questions, some non-GATE questions, and ESE questions also. I collected some previous years questions of ESE, GATE, and other than previous years questions also. So we discuss one by one problem. Now this is the first question from the linear algebra topic, and we have one more session also on 8th. In that session, we try to cover the differential equation problems. Now today I will try to cover the questions on linear algebra topic. This is the first question from the linear algebra topic. This is not a previous year question paper question. This is not from any previous year's question of GATE or ESE. Just look at this. The rank of the following matrix is less than 3. Less than 3. Then the values of x are. We are given 3 by 3 matrix. We are given 3 by 3 matrix along with unknown element x. We are asked to find that unknown element x. To find one unknown element, we require minimum one condition or one equation. Condition is already given. What is the condition? Rank is less than 3. For this 3 by 3 matrix, rank possibilities are 3, 2, 1. For 3 by 3 matrix, rank possibilities are 3, 2, 1. Okay? Rank is already less than 3 only. Rank possibilities are 3, 2, 1. Rank is less than 3 means rank is not equal to 3. Rank may be 1 or 2. Whenever rank of the matrix is not equal to order of the matrix, rank of the matrix is not equal to order of the matrix, then the matrix is singular. Okay? Matrix is singular. Because of singular, by using the determinant equal to 0 equation, we can choose the answer also, if possible. Now let us do the problem. In the solution, given that row of A 3 by 3 matrix less than 3. For 3 by 3 matrix, 3 possibilities for rank. Rank may be 3 or 2 or 1. Okay? Rank possibilities are 3, 2, 1. But here given that rank of A is less than 3, whenever rank of the matrix is not equal to order of the matrix, rank of the matrix is not equal to order of the matrix for square matrix, the matrix is singular. Determinant of A equal to 0, singular. Now we consider the determinant for the given matrix. 1, x, 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 1, x, 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 1 equal to 0. Now we have this equation, determinant equation. From this determinant equation, possible to choose the answer we can choose from the options. Not possible, we simplify and we try to find the values of x. See this. Now first we go to the option, first option. In the first option, 1 is given. Take the 1, substitute here and check determinant equal to 0 or not. If you substitute x equal to 1, all the rows will be same. When all the rows are same in determinant, at least any 2 rows are same or any 2 columns are same, determinant is 0. If you substitute x equal to 1, all rows will be same. So determinant equal to 0. So 1 is one of the value for x. That 1 is given in 2 options, first 2 options. In other 2 options, 1 is not given. So directly these 2 are wrong. One of the possible value of x is 1. Next, other possible values are minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. First we check for this. We substitute x equal to minus 1 by 2 and check determinant is 0 or not. When you substitute x equal to minus 1 by 2, 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 then you will get only 2 types of numbers, 1 and minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Okay? If we add all these column, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, plus 1, sum of all the elements along the each column, is 0 for x equal to minus 1 by 2. For x equal to minus 1 by 2, sum of all the elements along the each column is 0. Then determinant is 0. In a determinant, sum of all the elements along the row, each row is 0. Determinant is 0. Sum of all the elements along the each column, each column is also 0. Determinant is 0. For x equal to minus 1 by 2, along the each column, sum of all the elements is 0. That is why determinant is 0. Finally, this determinant is 0 for these 2 values of x. Therefore, it is the correct answer. Okay. We are asked to find the values of x for which the rank of A is less than 3. given that rank is less than 3 means determinant is 0, and this determinant equal to 0 will satisfy with these two values of x. Therefore, x equal to 1 comma minus 1 by 2. Only for these two values of x, the rank of A is less than 3. For what values of A, for what values of x, the rank of the matrix is less than 3 means for only these two values. Or if you substitute x equal to 1 by 2 in this, x equal to 1 by 2, 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 1 by 2. Sum of all the elements along the each column is not equal to 0. That is why it will not satisfy with 1 by 2. It will satisfy with 1. But for 1 by 2 it is not equal to 0. That is why this is wrong. So this equation will satisfy only these two values of x. That is why it is correct. So this is about the first problem. Now let us go to the next problem. This question was given in the year 2022. It is a 2022 GATE question. We are given 3 by 3 matrix capital M. Which of the following statement or statements is oblique or correct? For this 3 by 3 matrix, 4 options are given. In every option, one statement is given, and we are asked to choose the correct statements or true statements. Whenever it is given like this question, is oblique or, means this comes under multiple select questions or multiple correct answer questions. We may have more than one correct answer question also. Okay, one or more than one correct answer also may be correct. In the first statement, what is given? Rank of the matrix is 2. The second statement, rank of the matrix is 3. We can check these two just by finding the rank. Next, third option, the rows of M are linearly independent. Every row is a row vector, every column is a column vector. If you know the rank also, we can tell the number of independent rows, number of independent columns also. So based on this also, we can check whether it is correct or not. Next, determinant. Even if you know the rank also, we can say determinant is 0, not equal to 0 also. Okay. For this 3 by 3 matrix, for 3 by 3 matrix, rank possibilities are 3, 2, 1. Rank may be 3 or 2 or 1. Just by looking the elements possible to choose answers, we can choose. Not possible, then we do the problem. Okay. Now look at this problem and observe the first and last rows. The first row and last row. 2 times, 2 times, 2 times. The first and last rows are proportional. When 2 rows are proportional, the 2 rows are dependent only. Okay. Now all the rows are dependent rows. Because of these two proportional, these two are dependent, then all the three rows together are dependent rows. Because of these two dependent, we can eliminate these. If all the 3 rows are dependent means all the row vectors are dependent vectors because of these two proportional. Then rank of the matrix is not equal to 3. Rank of the matrix is not equal to 3. So this is wrong. Next, all the rank is not equal to 3 means determinant is 0. This is also. Rank of this matrix is not equal to 3. Next, rank of the matrix is not equal to 3 means all the rows. He is saying that all the rows are linearly independent only. But here these two are proportional. Because of proportional dependent rows, then all 3 are dependent rows. All 3 are not independent. This is also wrong. Okay. When rank is not equal to 3 means rank may be 2 or 1. Because of these two proportional, we can eliminate these. Then observe these 2 rows. And these 2 rows are not same, not proportional. So these 2 are independent rows. The number of independent rows is same as rank of the matrix. So rank is 2. This is correct. Because of proportional, the determinant is 0. In a determinant, if any 2 rows are same or proportional, determinant is 0. He is saying that determinant is 0. This is also correct answer directly. Okay. Just by observation, we can choose the answer and we can tell the answer also. Which of the following statements is oblique or true means the first and last are true. This is directly by observation. But always the rows may not be proportional. In such case, what do? We reduce the matrix A into echelon form and we find the rank. From the rank, we can check all the statements correct or not. Okay, let us reduce the matrix into echelon form and we find the rank From that we can check these correct or not. But only for this problem, because of proportional determines directly 0. So this is the correct answer. Next, rank of this is not equal to 3 means this is wrong. This is correct answer. Because these two are proportional means these two are dependent rows, and if it is eliminated, only 2 are rows. These two are not same, not proportional. So 2 independent rows, because 2 independent rows, rank is 2, and all the rows are dependent rows, and he is in that independent. That is wrong. Okay. But always matrix may not be like this. Okay. In such case, we reduce the matrix into echelon form. Now let us do the problem by reducing the matrix into echelon form. Given M equal to 2, 3, 7, 6, 4, 7, 4, 6, 14. This is a given matrix. Now we reduce the matrix M into echelon form by applying the row elementary operations. By using row operations, we can make the column elements as zeros. In the first step, along the first column, below the first element, we make these two zeros. According to our row echelon form method, we make the column elements as zeros. First, we make the first column elements as zeros. The operations are R2 position, R2 minus, this minus how many times? 3 times. 3 times of R1. Next, in R3 position, R3 minus 4 times of R1. Sorry, 2 times, not 4 times, 2 times. This 4, it is 2. To make it 0, first we make these two same. For this, multiply first row with 3 and then subtract this from this. That is this operation. To make this 0, first make these two same. For this, we try to make it 4, subtract this from this. For this, multiplying the first row with 2. Right. Now with these two operations, the matrix becomes like this. The first row is same, 2, 3, 7. The second row, 6 minus 6, 0. 4 minus 9 minus 5. Next, 7 minus 3 into 27, 21. 7 minus 21 minus 14. Because of proportion directly, 0, 0, 0. Entire row will become 0 because of the proportion. First column is completed. Next we go to second column. Along the second column, below the second element, it should be 0. It is already 0. While making the first column elements zeros, this may become 0 also directly. After completion of second column, we go to third column. Along the third column, below the third element, no element. So stop here. It is in echelon form. From this echelon form, we write the rank. M is equivalent to this, which implies row of M 3 by 3 matrix equal to, what is the rank here? 2. That's all. Because of proportional, this is eliminated. Only 2 are left. 2 are independent rows. Because not same, not proportional. That is why rank is 2. The rank is also same as the number of independent rows. It is also same as the number of linearly independent rows, oblique columns, oblique vectors. Rank is also same as the number of independent rows, number of independent columns, number of independent vectors. Okay. Therefore, rank of this equal to 2. When rank is known for 3 by 3 matrix, rank of matrix is not equal to order of the matrix means the matrix is singular. So determinant of M is also 0. Now from this we can choose all the statements. Rank of matrix is 3 is wrong. Rank of M is 2. That is correct statement. A is correct. Next, rank is 2 means it is equal to number of independent rows. And here he is saying that all the rows are independent. All the 3 rows are independent. That is wrong. Next, determinant is 0. Determinant is 0. That is why first option, last option are correct. Okay. By observation, we can choose the answer, but always it may not be possible. That is why we can go for general method like this, reduction. After reduction, we can check all the statements correct or not. Now let us go to the next problem. This question was given in the year 2017 of ESE examination. It is a question from ESE examination. The solution of system of equations, is, we are given three equations in three variables, and it is a non-homogeneous system because of the constant term, non-homogeneous equation. At least one of the equations is non-homogeneous, the total system is non-homogeneous. And we are asked to find the solution. Solution means finding the values of x, y, z satisfying all the three equations. For this problem, no need to find the solution by methods. Okay, just we can choose the answer by verification. If all the three equations, 1, 2, 3, all the three equations satisfy with one of the option, all the three equations satisfy with any one of the option, that is the correct answer. At least one of the equation doesn't satisfy with any one option, that is the wrong answer. All equations satisfy with any one option, then that is the correct answer. Otherwise, not a correct answer. Now we'll check one by one. Let us start with the first option and we verify all the three equations satisfy or not. X equal to 2, y equal to, z equal to 0. Sum of all this is 4 equal to 4. Sum of all this is 4 equal to 4. The first equation is satisfied with option A. Fix option A, go to next option. X equal to 2, y equal to 2, 2 minus 2, 0, z equal to 0. Sum of all this is 0, satisfied. Next, same option, third equation. 2 into 2, 4, y equal to 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 0, but right hand side it is 5. The last equation is not satisfied with option A, so A is wrong. Only first two equations are satisfied with this. Third equation is not satisfied, therefore it is not a solution of the system. Next, fix the second option and verify all these. In the first equations, sum of all the variables x plus y plus z equal to 4 or not. 1 plus 4 plus 1, that is 6, not equal to this. The first equation is not satisfied with option B, so B is wrong answer. Next, option C, sum of all this is not equal to 4, so this is also wrong. Sum of all, first of all, out of 4 options, 3 options are eliminated, means last option is the correct answer. It is the correct answer. Or if you want to verify, we can verify also. Sum of all the variables is 4 or not. Sum of all this is 4. Next, x equal to 1, y equal to 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1, z equal to 1, minus 1 plus 1, sum is 0. Second equation satisfied. Third equation, 2 into 1, 2, plus y equal to 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, equal to 5. All the three equations are satisfied with option D. D is the correct answer. This is the advantage. If it is asked to find a solution, that options are given like this, directly we can choose answer by verification. No need to do the problem by the particular method. This is about the question. Next, we go to next problem. Consider the system Ax equal to B. Consider Ax equal to B. In this system, A is a matrix, X is a column vector, B is a column vector. Okay? Coefficient matrix of the system, solution matrix or unknown matrix, and B is the constant matrix. We are given some system Ax equal to B, non-homogeneous system. And what do you want to find here? If A is orthogonal matrix, if this is orthogonal matrix, then the sum of unknowns in the solution. In the solution matrix, there are 3 unknowns, x1, x2, x3. We require the sum of all these unknowns. Like previous problem, first we need to find the solution. Okay? We need to find a solution. Finding the solution means, finding the solution of the system means finding the values of x1, x2, x3 satisfying all the 3 equations. Okay. One condition is given on matrix. What is the condition? It is already given that orthogonal matrix. A is given that orthogonal. According to definition of orthogonal matrix, A into A transpose equal to I. The condition for orthogonal matrix is A into A transpose equal to I. Then A transpose equal to A inverse. So the matrix is orthogonal matrix directly we can write the inverse just by taking the transpose of itself. Okay, the matrix is orthogonal, its inverse is the transpose of itself. The inverse of the matrix is transpose of itself for orthogonal matrix. Okay, so just we do this and then we stop the today's session. In the next session we continue the problem solving. So we try to complete this problem. Already it is given that orthogonal matrix. Because of orthogonal matrix, inverse of orthogonal matrix is transpose of itself. Given that A inverse equal to A transpose. A inverse equal to A transpose. Okay. Since A is orthogonal. Because of the orthogonal matrix, we can write the inverse of orthogonal matrix. Inverse of orthogonal matrix is the transpose of itself. Next, to find a solution, we use the one of the particular method, inverse method, matrix inversion method. Since the solution of the system is given by A inverse into B. A inverse into B. A is the 3 by 3 matrix. Inverse matrix is also 3 by 3 matrix. B is 3 by 1 vector. 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 1 vector. Output is 3 by 1 vector. Output is 3 by 1 vector. Okay. Now we find the product of these two because the transpose of the matrix is also same. If we interchange the rows into columns, row into column, row into column, also we get the same matrix. For this matrix, A transpose is also A. Okay. A inverse equal to A transpose. A transpose is A for this matrix. So A inverse into B. Row, column, 0, 0, 1 by root 2 into minus root 2, that becomes minus 1. Second row, column, 1. Third row, column, that is minus 1. So minus minus plus. 0, 0, product of these two is plus 1. This is same as the solution matrix x1, x2, x3. This is same as the solution matrix x1, x2, x3. Okay. Now we got the solution matrix, that is we know the x1, x2, x3. Therefore, the sum of the x1, x2, x3 variables is sum of all this is 1. That's it is the answer. Okay. Just we need to find the sum of all the unknowns in the solution matrix. To find the sum of all the unknowns in the solution matrix, first we need to find the solution matrix. Here we are given that orthogonal matrix. The matrix is orthogonal. We can add the inverse directly. Very simple one. Inverse of orthogonal matrix is the transpose of itself. For this matrix, the transpose is also A. A inverse equal to A transpose equal to A. Then X equal to A inverse into B. This is by matrix inversion method. The solution matrix is given by this, A inverse into B. Product of these two is this vector, x1, x2, x3. Sum of all this is 1. That's it. So with this, I stop the today's session. In the next session on 8th, we do the another topic.